How to get stream key TikTok. Want to stream to TikTok using OBS? Let's unlock your stream key and set it up step by step. So, TikTok no longer gives stream keys directly. You need to join a creator network or agency. So, you need to apply through their portal or Discord, and once approved, your account is flagged for stream key access. Now, access TikTok Live Producer. So head over into livecenter tiktok.com/producer, log into your TikTok Live Producer. If your account is unlocked, you'll see the server URL and stream key. If you're redirected, it means you're not approved yet. So copy the server URL and stream key. Remember, TikTok generates a new key for every stream, so grab it before you go live. In OBS, go ahead and open up OBS. And then from here, go ahead and go to settings. So look for settings. And then from here, head over to stream and then click on service. So set this to show all and look for TikTok. Now, if you don't find TikTok, simply set it to custom. And then go ahead and enter your server URL into the section and the stream key into this section. Now set this multi-track video section depending on your preference. Click on apply. And now you can add overlays, alerts, and multiple cameras in OBS. Hit start streaming and your broadcast goes live on TikTok. And that is how to get stream key TikTok.